Are you fascinated by those chilling story videos you see on YouTube? Like the ones from Mr. Nightmare or Thriller Teller that so many viewers enjoy watching? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos similar to that, step by step, using simple AI tools. For this time, I'll be using MagicLight, an AI platform that helps you turn your ideas into complete storytelling videos. From script to visuals, audio, and voiceover, it streamlines the entire process while keeping characters consistent. And the good part is, there's also a free option you can try out. But before we dive into the steps, let me give you a quick look at what I created.
Under the veil of night, the city reveals its shadowed face, where unsettling symbols mark the brick walls. A spiral, bisected by a jagged line, stands out, an emblem of the city's hidden mysteries. Lost in her thoughts, Sarah walks, seemingly unaware of the bizarre markings surrounding her. The long shadows of buildings stretch across the street, deepening the sense of unease. An unsettling atmosphere lingers, wrapping the city in a palpable undercurrent of mystery. The air itself seems to hold its breath, as if the city awaits a revelation.
This video was made in minutes based on an idea I had in my mind using MagicLight AI, and yes, you can do this too. So let's jump into the tutorial. First, head over to MagicLight AI and create a free account. Right now, they also provide some free credits when you sign up. Now let's take a quick look at the interface. On the left side, you'll see the main tabs: Home, Assets, where you can find all your projects and generated characters, and AI generation. Inside AI generation, there's AI characters, where you can create custom characters for your videos. Just fill in the details, click Generate, and your custom character will be ready to use anytime. Next is Story to Video, which we'll explore now. When you open it, you'll see an easy-to-use interface. In the center, there's a space to write your story or script. If you only have a rough idea, use the Smart Script option. But if you already have a complete script, you can paste it into the basic script section. For this example, I'll use Smart Script. From the top left, I'll set the aspect ratio, choose the video language, and select a style. I'll go with Epic for this story. Then I'll set the video duration. MagicLight also supports creating long-form videos, up to 30 minutes or more depending on your plan. For now, I'll keep it on auto, letting the tool decide the length based on the story itself. After that, simply click Next, and MagicLight will start analyzing the story. Wait for a few moments, and it can generate a complete script along with scenes and shots. You can also add or edit these scenes based on your requirements. In this example, the story came out to about 1 minute 55 seconds with 15 shots. Now click Next. Here, you can either choose characters for your story or let MagicLight assign them automatically. I'll go with AutoCast, which selects characters for me, but you can always change them if you'd like. After that, click Generate and wait a few moments while it creates a storyboard for your story. If you don't like the image composition or framing, you can adjust it in the storyboard section, where you'll find different poses and scene layouts. You can also edit the script or adjust the voiceover, either scene by scene or for the entire project, by going to the voice section in the top left corner. Here you can modify the voice style, speed, and delivery. Next, let's animate the images. Click Animate. You can animate scenes one by one or all at once. I'll choose Animate All, then select the video model for animation. For now, I'll go with Dance Light and then click Generate. Wait a short while as MagicLight animates all the images. Once it's done, click Next. Here you can add or edit elements like cover style, subtitles, and background music. Finally, click Generate again, choose the aspect ratio and resolution, and wait while the video is processed. Once completed, your final video will be ready to watch.
In the heart of the library archives, Sarah immerses herself in the scent of aged paper and towering shelves. She pulls out an ancient manuscript. Its worn cover hints at secrets within. A strange symbol pulsates with an eerie energy as she opens the brittle pages. An inexplicable unease washes over Sarah as she traces the enigmatic symbol. Sarah walks alone through the dimly lit city streets after a late night at the library, the silence amplifying her solitude. A disturbing image catches her eye. A strange symbol spray painted on a nearby building. A silent scream in the urban night. As she stares, a stranger emerges from the shadows, an ominous figure materializing from the darkness. The stranger's voice breaks the silence. You've seen them. Now they know you. Sarah remains frozen, the stranger's words echoing in the deserted street. In the dim recesses of a secret hideout, Sarah is led into a clandestine meeting.
You can find the link to MagicLight AI in the description below. Feel free to check it out.